When is the it keyword used in Lambda expressions in Kotlin example? Struggling to understand Kotlin Lambdas, feeling lost, try to figure out when to use the mysterious it parameter? Watch this quick video to gain clarity and confidence using it in Kotlin Lambdas through simple explanations and practical examples you can apply immediately. When is the it keyword used in Lambda expressions in Kotlin? In Kotlin, if a Lambda expression has only one parameter, you can use the it keyword as a shorthand for that parameter. This makes the code more concise and readable. Here's an example. In this example, we have a list of numbers and we want to filter out the numbers greater than 3 and print them. Instead of explicitly defining the parameter in the Lambda expression, we can use the it keyword to refer to each element in the list. This allows us to write more succinct code. That being said, are you tired of those pesky runtime null pointer exceptions crashing your apps? Let us now take a look at another feature of Kotlin, null safety. With Kotlin's built-in null safety, you can say goodbye to worrying about NPEs. Instead, leverage the power of strict compile time checks to catch issues early while writing cleaner, safer code. Learn how Kotlin makes handling nulls simple and intuitive in this quick video.